Hey guys, today we're gonna make Totoro. For this project, I'll be using gray, white, black, and green. Green is optional if you're not gonna make the leaves on his head for his umbrella. You also need a 3D printing pen. Today I'm gonna use this egg for the mold for its body. And this is just a regular Easter egg. Now without further ado, let's get started. First I'm gonna use this egg to make its body. And today I'm gonna use gray. I'm gonna use the clear tape to cover the egg so that way it's easier to work on. Okay, after you're done, it should look like this. Now, let's have some fun. Looks like this. Now repeat this step and make another head. So after we connect them together, it will be the whole body. Now we have two pieces of the body. We're going to connect them together. We connect it together so its body will look like this. Now we're gonna add one more layer to make it look nice. After we finish the body, we're gonna start adding his ears and arm. Now we're gonna add its tummy. Its tummy, I'm gonna use white to fill up the tummy here. leaves are optional. I'm gonna add a little leaf here because Totoro likes to use leaves for umbrella. So just gonna add a little tiny leaves here. Now we have finished our Totoro. If you like my video, please give me a big thumb up and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any suggestion for my next video, leave a comment down below and let me know. I will try my best to make it happen. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!